Infinity Plays back at it again with another awesome video. Today, we're looking at Hell's Kitchen Murder Drones, Episode 6, Low Calories. So, the episode starts off with, Lizzie there, and she's basically saying, thinking to herself, I miss Doll, because, she was being to rekindle her friendship with her, So she miss her a lot. And Jay loudly yells at her team that y'all better step it up because you guys made us lose. As talking about the previous dinner service. And then we got Uzi and V thinking to themselves like this bitch, No, because they're just really sick and tired of her, and she's just very annoying at this point. Challenge time! The challenge today was to make an appetizer, entree, and dessert with the whole meal being under 1,000 calories. Calories, yeah. Now, since there was 5 members on the red kitchen instead of, and since there was like 5 on the red kitchen and 6 on the blue kitchen, Lizzie was on her own team. Okay, first off, the appetizer. Lizzie's Caesar salad was too plain and simple. N and V's mushroom risotto got high praise. So the blue team got the point there. Jay and Teacher's stuffed filet impressed Ramsay. Khan and Braden's sea bass was extremely raw. You don't want to bring raw food up to Chef Ramsay. Tell me. And Tim and Sin's crepe with strawberry icing was a disaster. A full-out disaster. Uzi and Thad's chocolate. I meant to put souffle there. Chocolate souffle got the blue team the win. Just imagine it says chocolate souffle. And with red team having 1 point and blue team having 2 points, the blue team won. For the red team's punishment, they had to prepare about 20 pounds of onions for the next dinner service. And his teacher thinking to himself, wish I was still on the blue team. They got to prepare all these onions. Well, the blue team got to go karting. See, that's that there. Oh no! Damn it! I forgot to draw the hair. And then that's not how I usually draw Thad, but whatever. And then basically, Lizzie and V were having a conversation, and basically Doll said, "I miss Doll, V," and that's when V said, "It's okay, you still have me. It's not the end of the world." And this did cheer Doll up, But now it's time to move on to the dinner service. For the red team, appetizers, apps was Lizzie. Oh yeah, it was seafood night. Just want to let you know. Red team apps was Lizzie. Garnish was Jay. Fish was Sin and Tim. And meat was Teacher. For the blue team, apps was Con and Braden. Garnish was V. Fish was N and Uzi. And meat was Thad. Now, time to move on to the dinner service. Things got off to a rocky start in the Blue Kitchen as Khan sent up a risotto to Chef Ramsay that was bland. And Braden and then sent up some spaghetti that was overcooked. However, they recovered from these mistakes. However, things got off to an even worse start in the Red Kitchen, being Lizzie brought her risotto up to the past. Chef Ramsay returned it saying, "Your risotto's undercooked." And then Lizzie kind of went haywire, started cooking up a bunch of risottos. Just got Chef Ramsay's attention saying, when he said, "It's one risotto and you cooked 12 portions. Get out." Basically kicking her out of the kitchen for wasting a bunch of food. In the Blue Kitchen, N and Uzi were like a dream team. They were doing so well. With Goran saying, "N, Uzi, good job." It's made them both very happy, as you can see there. However, things were looking even worse for the Red Kitchen as Tim brought his scallops to Chef Ramsay. He returned them saying they're raw, with him saying, "Tim, raw scallops? Seriously?" And things just continued to get worse. As Ramsay saw a teacher for cooking garnish when he was on the meat station. Why are you cooking garnish? Garnish. Basically confused, but teacher didn't really seem to care. He just gave a blank stare. And then Sin brought her Hal up to the past, and it was deemed way overcooked. It's just things were looking worse and worse for the Red Kitchen by the second. Then Tim brought a salmon to the pass. "Tim, your salmon might as well still be in the ocean. It was that raw. It was just that raw." And then he continued serving raw salmon over and over and over again. 4 raw salmon in a row? Get out! Basically kicking Tim out of the kitchen as well. Both teams eventually finished dinner service, but Ramsay was not happy. Especially, more particularly with the red team. Tonight, the blue team bounced back from their mistakes. The red team decided to get worse. Basically, the red team lost. They had to nominate 2 people for nomination, which they nominated Lizzie and Tim, as they were the only 2 who got kicked out tonight. They were both up for elimination, gave their pleas. When it was all said and done, he eliminated Tim. At this stage in the game, the chefs should have stepped up. But tonight, Tim stepped down, and that's why he's gone. Thank y'all so much for watching this episode of Hell's Kitchen Murder Drones. Make sure to subscribe, comment, hit hit the like button, hit that bell to get notified of my future videos. Without further ado, bye bye.